In the market for a fuss-free laptop that keeps up with your day-to-day? Look no further. The HP Chromebook 14 laptop might be the hidden gem you've been searching for. This Chromebook boasts a long-lasting battery, a crisp 14 inches display, and a lightweight design that lets you work or unwind from anywhere. Intrigued? Keep reading to see if this Chromebook fits the bill for your work-from-home needs, entertainment marathons, or anything in between. HP Chromebook 14 laptop, brand name HP, model name 14A0021NR, screen size 14 inches, color ceramic white, hard disk size 0.01 megabytes, CPU model Celeron N4000, RAM memory installed size 4 gigabytes, operating system Chrome OS, special feature anti-glare, graphics card description, integrated screen resolution 1366 by 768 pixels, processor 1.1 GHz, RAM 4 GB, DDR4, memory speed 2400 MHz, hard drive, SSD, graphics coprocessor, Intel UHD, graphics 600, chipset brand, Intel, card description, integrated, graphics card RAM size 4 GB, wireless type, Bluetooth, 802.11 AB per gram NAC, average battery life in hours, 12 hours, hardware platform, Chromebook, item weight, 3.24 pounds, item dimensions LXWXH, 12.82 x 8.6 x 0.7 inches, computer memory type, DDR4, SDRAM, flash memory size, 4, hard drive interface, solid state power source, battery powered, voltage, 24 volts, batteries, 1 lithium metal batteries required, included. About this item, remote work ready. Work efficiently from the comfort of your own home office using the HP 14 Chromebook. Clear imaging. Images appear crisp with the 14 inches HD, 1366 by 768. Micro edge, anti-glare, 1, display. Lightning fast processing. Games, music, and binge watching are taken to new heights with Intel Celeron N4000 processing power and Intel UHD graphics 603. Securely save your work. With 32 GB eMMC storage, 4, saving important documents is made simple. Plus, quickly access your documents with 4 GB of RAM, long-lasting battery life. Enjoy up to 13 hours and 30 minutes of wireless streaming, 5, depending usage. Modernize your world. Navigate seamlessly through tabs and programs with the Chrome operating system. Also, rest easy knowing your investment is protected with HOP's 1-year limited hardware warranty. Be seen and heard. HP's Wide Vision HD camera, 6, with integrated dual-array digital microphones, lets you video chat with vibrant clarity. Connect smoothly. Your connections are rock solid with the Wi-Fi 5, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.0 combo, 7. Take work wherever you go. The Chromebook is 3.24 pounds 8, so you can take your work and entertainment wherever you need it. Energy efficient. Do the environment a favor by working with an HP Energy Star certified 9 and EPEAT Silver registered 10 laptop computer. Product description. The HP Chromebook empowers you to work more efficiently from the comfort of your own home. The 14 inches HD, 1366 by 768, micro edge, anti-glare, 1, display makes images appear crisp, with Intel Celeron N4000 processing power and Intel UHD graphics 603, binge watching, gaming, and music are taken to new heights. Securely storing and quickly accessing your work is a breeze with 32 GB eMMC storage, 4, and 4 GB of RAM. Work and entertainment doesn't have to end with up to 13 hours and 30 minutes of streaming power, 5, with mixed usage. The Chrome operating system lets you effortlessly navigate through tabs and programs. Your Chromebook is protected with HOP's 1-year limited hardware warranty. Easily communicate with colleagues and friends with the HP Wide Vision HD camera, 6, with integrated dual-array digital microphones. The Wi-Fi 5, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.0 combo, 7, keeps your connection clear so you can continue to work with efficiency. This lightweight computer is 3.24 pounds 8, allowing you to easily store it in your Chromebook case for on-the-go use. Reduce your carbon footprint by working with HP Energy Star certified 9 and EPEAT Silver registered 10 computers. 1. High-definition HD content is required to view high-definition images. 2. Multi-core is designed to improve performance of certain software products. Not all customers or software applications will necessarily benefit from use of this technology. Performance and clock frequency will vary depending on application workload and your hardware and software configurations. Intel's numbering, branding, and/or naming is not a measurement of higher performance. Intel, Pentium, Intel Core, Celeron, Iris Xene, Intel logo, and the Intel Inside logo are trademarks of Intel Corporation in the US and other countries. 3. Shared video memory, UMA, uses part of the total system memory for video performance. System memory dedicated to video performance is not available for other use by other programs. 4. For storage drives, GB equals 1 billion byte. Actual formatted capacity is less. Portion of internal system storage is reserved and not user accessible. 5. Testing conducted by HP using Google Chrome OS Power Load Test. Battery life will vary, and the maximum capacity of the battery will naturally decrease with time and usage. See chromium.org/chromium-os/testing/power-testing for test details. 6. Features may require software or other third-party applications to provide the described functionality. Internet service required and not included. 7. Wireless access point and internet service required and sold separately. Availability of public wireless access points limited. Wi-Fi 802.11 AC is backwards compatible with prior Wi-Fi 5 specs. Bluetooth is a trademark owned by its proprietor and used by Hewlett-Packard Company under license. 8. Weight and system dimensions may fluctuate due to configuration and manufacturing variances. 9. Energy Star and the Energy Star mark are registered trademarks owned by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. 10. Based on U.S. EPEAT registration according to IEEE 1680.1-2018 EPEAT status varies by country. Visit www.epeat.net for more information. High definition, HD, content is required to view high definition images. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.